Welcome, traders, for yet again another trade of the day. Today, we have like a $2 winner on Macy's, a $6 winner on KSS. We hammered Palantir today. Robinhood was okay. We got dip buys on NEO. We actually go 7 for 7 with our trade ideas on the show. But I'm going to bring you one here that maybe we don't normally cover enough. And it's my favorite name, and it's just a basic breakout. Normally, you'll see me. I could call up NEO, show you bottom picks, show you what we got long on KSS at 50-50, show you that we got long at Macy's at 19 flat. Now at 21.50 KSS, now at 56. But this is a simple trade here on Microsoft that we continue to make. I love breakouts on this name, especially when we got this thing going, which is the NASDAQ. And I'm going to just bring it over to Microsoft right here. So this is what Microsoft's been doing. It's a super strong stock. We are at all-time highs or close enough to it. So for me, I already know which way I want to go. Sure, normally I'm a bull. I don't have a problem going short on things, but when Microsoft has this kind of momentum to the upside, I love to run this name up. So there we go. Microsoft's right there. So then we say to ourselves, all right, let's have a quick look here at the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ trying to break out some of these highs as well, right? On its march back to 15,000. So instantly on the show, I called up two names, Apple and Microsoft. Microsoft was at a key dollar level, which we love all the time. Look at this consolidation here, right? Bouncing around. It's only my risk on this trade is like back to here. 291.20, something like that. It's not a huge amount of risk because we're in this barcode, right? But then I'm bullish on the market. We've seen the NASDAQ be down almost, 0.8 today, something like that. Gets all the way back to green, battles around, and then shoots straight to the upside. So what we did was we wait for this softy break of 292. We get it, and then within that's the first minute, second minute, third minute. We wait about 3 or 4 minutes, then we get that dollar. So there's that in. So right away, it's about I think it was about a 90s. Let's call it 90s. Anyways, now you're at 293.30. This is now $1.30 in the money, and we're still holding out half. But I did want to talk quickly because we got this big NASDAQ bump right here. Right? You got to take something out. So here's like the Microsoft break. There's where we get out, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we get out around here, which is this out. So you got to take profit. You got to let the market come in a little bit sometimes. We did that on Microsoft. We were very patient and got this 292 fill. Now to the upside, maybe the next stop is going to be all-time highs. We'll find out exactly what that number is. I think it's right around here, 294-ish, so maybe we'll take that off. But this is a very simple breakout strategy where you find a strong stock on the daily. You find a correlation. We already know. I've traded Softy now for 20 years, so I know the correlation, although obviously things have changed in the time. This used to be a $25, $30 name when I started. Now you're up to 300, but there goes Microsoft. It's a simple break. It's a correlation play. It's moving, it's got the momentum, and then we have the daily breakout right there on the 1 minute chart breaking that level. So this has been your trade of the day. Join us every single day at 8:30. This one's not on the sticky note. We just went back to a favorite name of ours. You got to do that sometimes, and there it is. We crush Microsoft here at Trader TV Live.